Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see how to print out the prime numbers between 1 and 300. Now first we are going to introduce some integer type of variable. Let's introduce integer I comma n, and then we are going to give a printf statement. In this printf statement we are going to say prime numbers between 1 and 300. 1 and 300, and we know that prime numbers are basically it can be divisible by itself and 1. Okay, based on that logic we are going to create this one. Now for this one we are going to create a while loop. In this while loop we are going to set a condition, that is n is less than or equal to 300, right? So because we only need from 1 to 300, that's why we set this condition. So whenever we reach 300, after 300, it's going to just like it won't get into this loop. Now the next thing is we are going to initialize I with 2, and also we are going to create a nested while loop. In this one we are going to set another condition, I should be less than n, and then we are going to create a if statement inside of this nested while loop. If n is the modulus of n and I is equal to 0, it should break. Ni and 0, it should break, so we give a break right here, break, and else if it's not equal to 0 we have to do the increment of I plus plus, and that's it. Now the next thing is we are going to create another if statement. In this one, if n is equal to I, then we are going to print out the number, because if it's equal to I, it's a prime number. Okay, and also I put a \n because when the while loop repeat again and again and again until 300, we have to put the next number go to the new line. So we put a \n right here, and then we have to print whatever the value is in n, and we do the increment of n by 1 because we had to go until 300. Now let's go ahead and execute this one. I should put a semicolon right here. Okay, now you can see we print out all the prime numbers from 1 to 300, and that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and use them. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.